Dear children, today we shall learn about sources of water. We already know water is very important for our lives, not just for humans, even animals and also plants require water. Now, where all we can get water? Water is found in ponds, then lakes, rivers, and also sea and oceans. But the question is, where do they get water from? Well, the answer is it is rain. The rain gives water to all of us. It is the rain water which fills in all the lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. You know, some of the rain water also sweeps into the ground. So there is some water found underground and we call it as underground water. Can we get underground water for our use? Yes, we can. You know, we dig wells, that is deep holes, to get underground water. And also hand pumps are used to get underground water. Now we know rainwater is very useful for us and also precious. So can we save rainwater? Yes children, we can save rainwater also in many ways. How? And collect rainwater in buckets, barrels, etc. Then this stored water in buckets, tanks, etc. can be used in various ways, like it can be used for washing your bicycle, your father's car, etc. Also, this water can be used for cleaning floors and it can also be used for watering plants. So now you know water is very useful for us. Hence, we should not waste water. You should always turn off the tap after the use. Hence, never leave it open. Also, never throw waste in water, like this boy is about to throw the waste in the river. This is wrong. We should not do this. Apart from this, children, some water from lakes, streams, ponds is brought into the tanks by a motor. The water comes to houses through pipes and we get water at home by turning on a tap. This is called clean water. If the water is clean, we can drink it. But if the water is not clean, then we need to boil and filter it. We must drink only clean water. If we drink unclean water, we will fall sick. Children, you have to drink clean water only. Children, let us name all the sources of water again. Rain. You can see the picture of rain. It is raining heavily. Stream. Stream means a narrow river. Lake. It is surrounded by a land. Pond. It is smaller than lake. River. It is a large stream of water. Sea. Sea water is salty. Ocean. You can see here large waves coming from ocean. Well. It is the underground water. You can see the water inside the well. You can draw the water by using the bucket. Next is hand pump. This is the picture of hand pump. Tap. You can see the picture of tap. Well done, children. Thank you.